Thai salads most of the time come with spicy flavor, and today we are going to cook another one of them. Yes, we are making lab. Okay, now let's see the ingredients. Minced pork, but actually you can also cook this menu with minced chicken, beef, duck, or whatever source of protein you like, so feel free to pick. Fish sauce, chili powder. This one, even though it comes with some flakes and seeds, but it is not as spicy as it looks at all. So don't be frightened when you see how much I put later. Ground toasted rice. I would say it is the star and the main signature fragrance of the dish. I made it myself and already put the recipe link in the description so you can check it out later. And now it comes to herb part, and we're going to need the green onions, lime, red onion, and some mint. And then dried chilies. This one is optional. I love mixing it to bring more spice aroma. And then next you can either choose a bit of MSG or monosodium glutamate, or if you don't use MSG, then use about 1 teaspoon thinly sliced palm sugar instead to blend all the taste. Okay, now let's prepare the vegetables. Chop the green onions as much as you like. I am using about 3 tablespoons of it. Thinly slice the red onion, or you can use shallots as well. And lime, enough for 2 tablespoons. Alright, now let's move to the stove. I'm gonna roast the dried chilies for later. And we're cooking our minced pork with water. Just add the water a little bit. And then following with 300 grams of minced pork. We're gonna keep stirring until the meat is completely cooked or turns white. This cooking method in Thai we call ruan, and for lab, some people like it a little watery, some like it drier. I am the first type. It's good dipping with the sticky rice in it. And by the way, for those who wants to cook sticky rice but don't have a bamboo steamer, I also put the link how to cook sticky rice in microwave in description. I think it's a very cool hack. Alright, now pork looks good, let's season it. Put the green and red onion, and then follow with a couple tablespoons of fish sauce. Two tablespoons of lime juice. Chili powder. As I mentioned before, this one that I have is not as spicy as it looks, so I'm putting 2 spoonfuls, but you can put as much or as less as you like. Ground toasted rice for 1 or 2 tablespoons. And a little bit of MSG or finely sliced palm sugar if you don't eat MSG. If you use palm sugar, I recommend to put before other seasonings while it's still warmer, so the sugar melts better. After mix it up together, taste and adjust to your own taste. Some people like it more sour, salty, sweet, etc. After that, add some mint. And ready to go. This dish I recommend to have with sticky rice and fresh vegetables such as lettuce, basil, cabbage, long green beans, and my favorite is cucumber. The cold taste from it balances the hot taste from lab pretty good. If you like some tam or green papaya salad, then I bet you'll like this one too, tam khao pod or spicy corn salad. Here's the ingredients, simple and colorful. First, we need sweet corn. This is still raw, we'll boil them shortly. Green beans, a carrot, Tomatoes, I'm using baby plum tomatoes today. It can be any tomato you like. Some peanuts. For seasonings, we are using a few cloves of garlic. Chilies, I'm using both fresh and dried ones because I love it spicy. Adjust the spice to what you like. Limes, fish sauce, palm sugar. I'm using a hard type today. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can use brown sugar. And syrup. Alright, let's move to the stove. For peanuts, I love the toasty smell, so I'm gonna dry toast them first. Use as much as you like. Just keep it moving until they turn a little brown. And then set them aside. Now let's boil the sweet corn. Put enough water to cover the corn and leave it until it boils. Then put some salt in it. These are medium-sized sweet corn. I'm using 2 of them for 2 portions. Put them in. And then leave it in the pot for about 10 minutes. During the corn is cooking, let's prepare something else. Normally when a menu begins with the word tam, it means cooking something in mortar and pestle, but I get it, not everyone has them. And for tam khao pot, you only need mortar and pestle to pound a few things like garlic, chili, and green beans really, then end up mixing with a spoon anyway. So you can follow this way. Grab a bag, a sandwich bag, Ziploc bag, whatever you have. Cut the long green beans into short green beans, 1 to 2 inches length. Now put the green beans, garlic, and chili in the bag. Grab any of your handy kitchen weapon. Then smack these 3 roughly. If you're not sure how many chilies you want to put, mash chili separately, then you can add the chili a little bit by bit and taste after. And you can also do this with som tam. I used to post recipes of som tam without using mortar and pestle before. If you want to check it out later, the link for you is in description. And alright, set these 3 aside. Palm sugar, the hard type. To make it dissolve easily, we're going to thinly slice it. And we need about 2 tablespoons of it. A small technique to get the most juice from limes is to roll it first. For easy squeeze and juice it out easily, stand the fruit on its stem end, cut it in lengthwise slabs around the central core, and squeeze away. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of lime juice, so how many lime depends on what size you have and if the limes you have are juicy or not. You know, some seasons the lime can be really stingy with its juice. Tomatoes, cut in half. Recommend to use smaller species for its crunchiness. Carrot, peel and shred it. Okay, 10 minutes later, the corn is ready. Remove and run cold water through it to reduce the heat, or you can soak in iced water, anything convenient for you. Slice off the kernels. Try to keep them in big pieces. Looks lovely. Now let's toss everything in a mixing bowl. Put 2 tablespoons palm sugar, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, (4 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon syrup, any syrup. Normally I would use my own homemade one, but got this for pancakes anyway, so I'd go for this one. Then keep stirring because we want to dissolve the palm sugar. Then the green beans, garlic, and chili that we mashed. Like I mentioned, if you're not sure how many chilies to put, mash the chilies separately and add the mashed chilies at last, a little bit by bit, then taste until it gets to your spice level. Once the seasonings are mixed well, add shredded carrot, tomatoes, then the sweet corn, don't forget the toasted peanuts. Give it a gentle toss. For this menu, salted duck eggs are also another topping option to add. If you want more texture, that creamy, light salty taste, highly recommend. But we have many other things going along with this lovely tam khao pot, so I leave the duck egg out and save it for my congee. Oh, smells so good, and look at that colorful little salad. When you hear the word yum in Thai menu, you know it's gotta be Thai salad that has the combination like sour, sweet, salty, a bit bitter from herbs, and of course spicy. This recipe is yum bun sen or Thai spicy glass noodle salad. This is kind of overall what we are using for this dish. A little bit of everything. That's what I like about Thai cooking, so many things to play around with. But let's start with wun sen or glass noodles, the main ingredients of the dish. If you are using the dried ones like me, soak in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until soft. Later on, you'll see that I added another portion because I realized not enough for 2 people and I would be eating like a monster this meal. I am using a half of tomato, but if you like tomato, feel free to add more. Bit celery for the nice smell. A half onion, can be either red or white, slice them up. Lime, rolling it first to get more juice. We're going to need 2 tablespoons, so 1 lime should do. Red chilies, as much as you like. I cut them into small pieces first because look at the size of my mortar. If you have a big one, you can just go ahead pounding. Looks spicy. Okay, sausages, slice them up. And now our glass noodles should be soft already. Cut into shorter parts and rinse the water out. Now let's make the minced chicken. Since I don't have food processor, I am going to hand chop them. This part I normally use pork, but was just lazy to defrost and the chicken was there ready to be cooked already in the fridge, so you can use either pork or chicken. Okay, now let's boil the sausage. We are halfway through this menu already, guys. And prawns, roughly. You can also add squid if you like. And then glass noodles just for about a minute. It's cooked quickly. Then rinse in strainer. Now add a tiny bit of water. We are cooking the minced chicken. And add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. This is not boiling. In Thai, we call ruan. Ruan. Ruan, yes. Even though I'm Thai, I'm having a hard time pronouncing that alphabet. Okay, ruan, which describes cooking some minced protein in a tiny bit of water to bring out some juice because the meat has its natural sweetness. So once it's cooked, put in the mixing bowl. We are adding the sugar first when it's still hot so the sugar melts better. Keep stirring for a while until the sugar melts. Then add the fish sauce for a couple tablespoons. Lime juice. And chilies. If you are not so sure with the spice level, add bit by bit and taste. And this is optional, the magic powder in Asian cuisine, MSG for the umami taste. Mix everything up and taste if everything is good, because some people like more sweet, more spicy, more sour, so feel free to adjust to your own taste. Now adding the onion and tomato. Then glazed noodles. Mix until the noodles kind of absorb the seasoning. And the topping. Celery and coriander for the nice aromatic smell. And peanuts. Trust me, you'll love the peanuts in it. Cut the taste and just more texture. And now we are ready to serve. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like to cook, especially Thai recipes, subscribe and follow Thai Girl in the Kitchen for new recipes on every Monday and Thursday. For today, สวัสดีค่ะ